Which of the answers listed below refer to the IEEE 802.11b wireless standard? In the previous video, we've gone over A. What about B? Well, when I previously talked about IEEE 802.11a, I said A as in alpha. B is going to be as in beta. So what is below alpha? Let's talk about frequency range first, because that's how I like to remember it. We have 2.0, 5.0, and 2.4 gigahertz frequency range. Well, 2.0 gigahertz is not a standard that we use in Wi-Fi. It's either going to be 5.0 or 2.4. 5.0 between A and B is reserved for A. The alpha gets the 5.0. It's newer, it's better in some respects, and so that goes to A. But B is going to get the 2.4 gigahertz frequency range. It's a little bit below the 5.0, but that's okay. It's how I remember it. And then we're going to have the maximum data signal rate. Well, we're going to have to think back to 802.11a. 802.11a has a 5.0 gigahertz frequency range, and its maximum data signal speed is going to be 5 and then 5 minus 1, or 54 megabits per second. So B being the beta, it needs to be lower than this. So between our options here of 11 megabits per second, 54 megabits per second, and 600 megabits per second, it's going to be 11 megabits per second. 600 is way too high, 54 is reserved for A. So the answers listed below referring to the IEEE 802.11b wireless standard are going to be 2.4 gigahertz frequency range, and then a small maximum data signal rate of 11 megabits per second.